Hi, I'm Joe Williams with Bluedog Wire Strippers, and today we're going to be checking out the BWS38 multi-feed with drill attachment. So check out this 500 MCM cable. One pass through the machine, and you got yourself bare bright copper. So we're fortunate enough to have a mixture of scrap wire over here, ranging from Romex, 14 gauge, all the way up to 500 MCM. And we're going to show you how to make money quick and easy. All right, so the first wire that we're going to run through is a 10 gauge stranded. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice and easy. Peel off the coating. Bare bright copper. Look at how easy that was to do. So this machine is also known as our BWS38 MFDA. It's also designed for portability and those looking for an economical solution to strip scrap wire. The BWS38 MFDA is also ideal for those who may not have a continuous source of scrap wire, but still want to cash in on some bare bright copper. The next wire that we're going to check out here, it's a white one, and it looks like it's roughly 1/4 inch in diameter. That was one pass through the machine. Puts a nice slit along the edge of the wire. And look at that. Bare bright copper. Nice and easy. So the BWS38 MFDA has two ways that you can use it. One is with the included hand crank. The other option is to use the BWS38 MFDA with a drill. $350 MCM. Let's see how that goes through the machine. So it slit along the whole coating. Come out. There we go. Look at that. 350 MCM. So the BWS38 MFDA can strip solid wire or stranded wire from 16 gauge all the way up to 500 MCM cable. It has 10 feed ports on the front here, including a port for Romex cable. We got some 500 MCM. This is where you really start making money. Again, the coatings on these are hard to get off. But for the BWS38 MFDA, no problem at all. That's when you start making money right there. Next one we're going to try is Romex. Now Romex is interesting because this is multi-strands in here, and it's going to take us 3 passes to recover all this copper, but we'll show you how it's done. One pass through the machine. Pull off the coating. Just like that. Money, money, money. Ground wire's already stripped. No work necessary there. This Romex, I believe we had 14s that are solid on the inside. Take a look. We're going to run those through the machine. First, starting with the black one. Puts a strip along the full length of the wire. Pull off the coating. And beautiful. Bare bright copper right there. There's your money. Let's try the white one. Nice and simple. Run it through. No need to lower or raise a blade. Just pick the right size feed hole. Pull the coating off. And once again, there you are. Making your money. So who is the BWS 38 MFDA designed for? First and foremost, anyone that wants to make cash stripping scrap wire. It's also good for the small scrapper, electricians, mechanics, contractors, construction workers, guys who want to strip appliance cords, guys who want to strip battery cables, small project shops, scavengers, anyone that wants to strip scrap wire by the best economic means possible. So one of the cool features of the BWS 38 MFDA is that it's a spring tension, self-adjusting stripping system. Here's an example of the springs used inside the BWS 38 MFDA. The benefit of having these springs is that when you're running wire through the machine, all you need to do is grab your wire, put it in the corresponding hole, run it through the machine, peel off the coating, and you will have bare bright copper. It's literally that easy. The other benefit of having the spring tension system is that when you are running wire through the machine, the blades are going to float along the coating instead of digging into the copper. That's going to give you the best blade life possible and give you hours of stripping enjoyment. Now, the alternative is to go with a machine like this. This machine is known as our BWS 25 with drill attachment. This one is a cheaper model, and as you can see, you need to lower and raise the blade for every thickness of wire that you run through this machine. It will take you a lot longer to strip wire through this machine than it will compared to the BWS 38 MFDA, and also on the BWS 25 DA, your blade life will not last as long as the BWS 38 MFDA. So let's check out another cable here. We've got some 3/0. Let's run through this through the machine and see how it goes. Make sure we're in forward. All right, let's check that out. I think we have to run it through one more time just because it was a longer piece, but we'll run it through one more. There we go. Let's see how this worked. Try to get the coating off here. There we go. Nice. Look at this. 3/0. Bare bright copper. Money, money, money. So some safety considerations when using the BWS 38 MFDA. You want to make sure that you have it firmly bolted down to your work surface. There's 2 mounting brackets on the side of the machine with holes in them. Make sure that you always have it mounted firmly when you're feeding wire back and forth, you don't want the machine to rock. Also, when you hook up a drill to it, make sure that you use a low torque, low RPM drill. It can either be cordless or corded. It's up to you, whatever is your preference. We don't recommend hooking up a high RPM air drill. This machine's not meant to be run super fast. It's meant to be run slow and efficiently. So that was the BWS 38 MFDA. As you can see, it's a beauty of a machine, and it's a great bang for the buck. It's available from our website, copper-wire-stripper.com or bluedogwirestripper.com. If you have any questions about the machine, feel free to give me a call, 866-901-2278. I'm the guy that answers the phone, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. So once again, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm Joe Williams, signing off. Don't scrap it, strip it. Come out.